Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm a holistic health coach. Have you ever wondered how ancient wisdom from Gurbani aligns with the modern science and how we can implement it in our day-to-day life and make our life very beautiful? Let's explore today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar and uncover its deep message. Today's Hukamnama is by Shri Guru Amar Das Ji in Rag Sorat Ang 643 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. श्लोक महला तीजा पूरब लिखिया कमावना जय करते आप लिखियास. Guruji says he acts according to the preordained destiny written by the Creator himself. Now see this picture of train with a lot of scenic beauty around. Think of your life as a train ride. You can choose to enjoy the view or stress about the things which are beyond your control. But the train will still follow its path. It will reach wherever it has to reach. Things are pre-written. Even if things are pre-written, still we can choose how we are going to spend our life, how we are going to spend our moments, how we are going to spend our days, and how we are going to spend our years. So this is similar to determinism in physics. The universe follows laws like gravity guiding planets. You can't change the law, but you can decide how you will be throughout your life. Now, here's the key. Trust the divine plan. This is the most important key. Trust the divine plan. How to trust the divine plan? I'll make a separate video on that. But right now, just absorb. Trust the divine plan. Work hard, but don't let worry steal your joy. Life flows better when you let Vaheguruji steer the way. I repeat, life flows much better when you let Vaheguruji steer your way. Now further, Gurbani warns us, Moh thagoli payal visriya gurtas, which means emotional attachment has drugged him and he has forgotten the Lord, the treasure of virtue. Now see in this picture, a man is climbing and he is carrying a heavy backpack. Now Gurbani says that there is just one treasure of virtue, and that is Almighty. But attachment to material things like gadgets or money, see, these are important, but these are the things of use, right? But attachment to gadgets, money, and even status, they are like carrying a heavy backpack on a long climb, means a long journey. Now imagine trying to reach the peak of mountain while dragging unnecessary weight. It slows you down, drains your energy, and distracts you from your goals. So Gurbani and holistic health teaches us that true well-being is about balance, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. When you let go of excessive attachments to material things, now what happens? You free up energy for something far better and far greater. When you release the weight of attachments, you discover that you are meant for some incredible work. Think about it. What legacy you want to leave behind. See, greatness isn't about what you own. What you own, you own. You might have gotten it from your parents, or you might have worked hard and you had earned it yourself. And you have so many things, which we call materialistic thing. But still, greatness isn't it about what you own. It's about the lives you touch and the peace you cultivate within yourself. Because the kind of peace you cultivate within yourself, then your being will really inspire the other human beings in your life. Because we all are connected, and science supports Gurbani's message of unity. In quantum physics, entangled particles, they stay connected no matter the distance. Now see in this picture, the particles are scattered but still they are connected. So Gurbani tells us that we all are connected through Vaheguru, through the Almighty, through the Almighty's divine presence. But attachments create static, like noise in the radio signal, disconnecting us from this unity. by practicing virtues like gratitude, service, and mindfulness. Mindfulness is like hosh mein jeena. You clear the noise and restore harmony. So, when you align with Vaheguru, your actions ripple through the universe, creating positive change everywhere. So, let's implement the distinctions of today's Hukamnama. First is that trust the divine. Stop stressing over the things which are not in your control. And the next is just let go the attachments. They are because they are the friction slowing you down. So implement these two beautiful distinctions into in your life, and just practice them, keep on practicing them, and once you'll deeply absorb them. So just be mindful. Two distinctions: first of all, trust the almighty, and just focus on your goals, focus on your actions. And second is that don't let these things dominate on you so much, and because there are far better things you can do in your life. So just implement these two distinctions of this beautiful Gurbani, and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.